Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Apple Watch to your new iPhone. Now if you have a new iPhone and you want to connect your Apple Watch to a new device where they upgrade to another phone, I'm going to show you guys in this video. Now this is Apple Watch Series 9. Now this will work just the same if you're using any other Apple Watches. Now this right here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I recently upgraded to from the 13 Pro Max, which I was using. So I decided that I want to connect it now to my new phone right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now first you want to pull up your Apple Watch right here. Then what you want to do, you just press this crown button right here. Let me zoom on that so you can see, guys. So you're going to go into settings. Then you go into general, so follow instruction. You're gonna scroll down to where you see reset right there. You're gonna click on reset, and what you want to click on is to erase all content and settings. You're gonna click on that, enter your passcode, and then you're gonna erase. All media and data settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to continue? You're gonna erase all settings right there. Now it will take some time to actually boot up. It's actually processing right now, as you guys can see. As you can see right there, it's been loading. Then you see the Apple logo comes on right there. So guys, right now it's giving me a low battery signal. So ensure that your watch is fully charged first before you attempt this process. So what I have to do, I have to plug my charger right here onto the charge for it to get some charge, for it to continue right there. As you guys can see. Now ensure that there is internet connection on your device for it to actually work. You're gonna see this prompt right here. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna scan right here on the watch. Until it paired successfully right there. Now you're gonna see this icon come right here to set up your Apple Watch. You're gonna click on that. Then you're gonna connect the Apple Watch. Now the terms and conditions come right here. Please also ensure that you have a stable connection to the internet for this to actually work. Now we're gonna agree to the terms and conditions. You're gonna create your passcode for your Apple Watch. As you can see right there, you can adjust things like your settings. You can continue. Then you're going to sign now into your account. Now once you reach this part right here, you don't really have to wait for this to actually sync. You can always use your phone. You can just click off and put on your Apple Watch and just wait for it to actually load up. Now on the watch right here, you can see a bar indicating how far this actually reached. On it right here, you can see this little bar. And once this is finished, it will actually sync up with your phone and ready to use. Now guys, once it is finished, you will see a welcome message right there. You can click on done. And now you have access back now to your features and both your Apple Watch right here. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.